Welcome back to the Davy Brown 990 restoration. For those of you new, my name's Barry. Today, little job, they need to go. They've got to get on the tractor out the way so that in the garage the old ones can get outside, and then I'll get a trailer and we'll get them away back up to the farm across the Gemmers. We're not going to be doing bonnet videos today for one very simple reason. We managed to destroy our grinder yesterday. Yep. I think we've burnt the brushes out in it. New set of brushes on order, waiting for them to come now. So we're going to take the opportunity to shift them. We could get out and weld this in. No, I cannot, because I haven't got a grinder to knock the paint off, have I? So I cannot do that. So that, as I say, today's job, get rid of them. I'm going to put you on a time lapse because I appreciate you don't want to sit there and watch me long form shifting them wheels and tyres. Right guys, let's crack on. Right, that went swimmingly, didn't it? Okay, so there was a problem with the lugs. The lugs were out of place. I did rotate the discs to every single hole and it's still mismatched on both wheels. I have got some measurements and one of the lugs looks as if it's about 4 or 5 mil out of position. So I'm going to pop that all now into a WhatsApp message, send it back to the supplier, see what they think. Fingers crossed. It did enter my head, what if those rims on my tractor are not Davy Brown rims? Fingers crossed. Guys, if you can see something that I've been doing wrong today, please let me know in the comments. But the first wheel had 1 lug out of position, the second wheel had 3, and even if you jiggle it about with tyre levers, put one in, swing it around, rotate it, swing it around, they were never going to line up. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. Thanks very much. As always, your time is greatly appreciated when you've come watching us do not a lot in the garage today. But remember, don't overthink it. It's only nuts and bolts. Catch us in the next one. Ta-ra now.